My father started it, two small cranes, grew it from there to 165, in the neighborhood of 165 cranes today. He always said his greatest asset was the people. I'm Dennis Davis. I'm CEO of Davis Crane Companies. People is probably your number one. I would believe say probably it is your number one strength within your company. Anybody can buy equipment, be an equipment company. You're in the service business. You've got to have the people to go with it.
A couple of things here at Davis that we do, just general taxi work, taxi crane work, a little bit of everything. Again, we hanging steel, setting trees, road barriers, you name it. If it can be lifted, then we do it. Everybody is part of the family. Nobody's a number here. We're all family members. Time is money, so we don't want to get out there and waste time. And we get in, rig up, do the job, rig down, move on to the next one.
We look for three things when we buy any kind of equipment. It's availability, of course, cost, and then the service behind it. And Kirby Smith has met all three of those things for us. They've excellent service. And when I say we're in the service business, we need them to help us. Downtime's a killer for us. So if we buy a piece of equipment and it happens to have a problem, they're on it pretty quick.
So we just fairly recently bought the 4 60-ton National boom trucks. Their capacity, the chart, they will out-chart just about any other crane that we've seen out there. We do quite a bit of AC work, and so to be able to go and do multiple jobs a day quickly and efficiently and safely, that's what's one of our biggest benefits, and that we're really grown to love the National boom trucks. And then we've also, really put them to test whenever looking at the chart and seeing what they can lift, and being able to trust that crane to be able to lift heavy. And it's been doing great.
One of their best assets is they get to a job pretty quick, and they can get in pretty tight spaces.
We have a great relationship with Kirby Smith, and they've been always there to help us. Chip is always a phone call away and there to take care of us in any other way that we need. When it comes to a fleet this size, it's good to have a good service department, those relationships to help us be able to maintain a fleet to keep our customers satisfied and happy.
That goes all the way down to the service department, not just the management. Like I said, we got a problem, Chip's on it in a hurry.
Future's strong. Sometimes you look for the future and you copy paste from past. I think if we carry forward what we've done in the past and just keep rolling that ball forward, still staying strong within our market and expanding our markets when the time is right, expanding our footprint. But as it is right now, we see a very strong future with our company, and in saying that, we've got to have strong relationships with suppliers such as Kirby Smith. So if you don't have that, then you're kind of behind the 8 ball at that point. So that's where we're at.